Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to download and install the TikTok Studio app on your phone. Whether you're a content creator or just getting started, TikTok Studio provides useful tools to help you manage your videos, track performance, and grow your account. First, unlock your phone and open the App Store on your device. If you're using an Android phone, open the Google Play Store. If you're using an iPhone, open the App Store. Next, tap the search bar and type TikTok Studio. From the search results, select the official TikTok Studio app published by TikTok. After that, tap the install or get button to begin downloading the app. Wait for the download and installation process to finish. This may take a few moments depending on your internet connection. Once the installation is complete, tap open to launch the app. Sign in using your TikTok account credentials to access your creator dashboards and tools. After logging in, you can explore features such as analytics, content management, monetization tools, and performance insights depending on your account eligibility and region. And that's it. That's how you can download and install the TikTok Studio app. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.